Banar.
Birifor peoples are farmers, and they use hoe. They had the hoe blade and then the handle. So when you give them only the hoe blade, they will go and look for the handle. But if you give us the complete hoe, this is the handle, this is the hoe, I mean the blade, it's a complete one. I think they will really do farming better. So this is what I'm foreseeing, that if we're able to finish the whole Bible into the dialect, people will read and understand, the great change will take place.
The Birifors are polygamous in nature, and they take delight in eloping other people's wives. So for the Birifor, a man is the person who is able to take another person's wife.
To testify this, I think before the Birifor translation came, it was very difficult to understand the Bible. They have to read in Twi, those who are Christians, or English, and then struggle to not explain.
Life was very miserable to the Birifors.
Many were worshipping idols, and we would call them kontome. So these kontome, you could find them at the top of the house or some in their houses, some in front of the house. So the situation then was all about kontome. Somebody could even refuse to build a house because the kontome, according to him, they have stopped him from development, from bringing something new to the community. So it was something that was hampering the progress of the society. Not only the individual, but also the society. This kontome, the practice of that time was very powerful.
Our communities at that time were highly pagan. There were not many Christians, and most of the people worshipped the idols.
So in 1985, I went to ECG Bible School at Pandai. And in 86, we heard that GILLBT, GIL, Ghana Institute of Linguistic Literacy and Bible Translation, they are showing interest to translate Birifor for the Birifors. So I came home, and then they said by then they agreed and accepted that if Daniel, if you finish, come and help those people who are coming to do the translation. I was not interested to do the work because I don't know whatever is involved. But they say instead of to read English and translate it into your dialect, and then read your own dialect to the people direct, which is easier. And I say yes, to read it to the people hearing their own dialect is the easier one. Later on, I had a vision asking me, Pastor, if you go for evangelistic ministry, and then it happened that you go to evangelize, how many people do you think you get? And I said, well, it's only the big evangelists can have a big gathering, and maybe they can get more than 10 people converted in the day. But for us in these local areas, maybe 2 or 3, or even 1 sometimes. And he said, okay, but what do you think, Bible translation, what do you think? If you translate the Bible, how many people do you think they will read? And I said, not people, but the whole Birifors will read it. And he said, uh-huh.
When they came and translated the Bible in their own language, it became very helpful. The word of God was taken directly from our Bible. No more interpretation for anybody.
The joy of the people then was great.
When we started the work here, it is only 3 zinc houses, 3. One of the Laji, and then the white man, and then the school. That is all. They don't have borehole. Guinea worm was everywhere. But when we came and encouraged them and went to Bole by then, and then brought the people to come and sing borehole for us. They also believe that juju doesn't go into zinc house. So that is what they taboo to put up zinc houses. But today, look, all of them, is because of Christianity. Christianity really opened our people's eye, and then the Bible translation really opened up for all the activities that Birifor are now doing.
Bible translation is a very expensive enterprise.
Support the Bible translation because it is the word of God that comes to stay with us.
We need support for Birifor Bible Old Testament translation.
The Old Testament is part of the good news. So to have one part is incomplete. We will need your support. Financially, we need your physical support. Give what you have.
Ale ma yare karche ya. Mpondara pela ala oneke sengen debe na tuna son. Nisene libi ka seletomban a Bible ejikoraji.